Website technical support and maintenance are essential to ensuring your website runs smoothly and securely. Technical support involves providing assistance with any technical issues that may arise with your website, such as server errors, broken links, or issues with site speed. Maintenance, on the other hand, involves regular updates and backups to keep your site up to date and secure from hackers. Without proper technical support and maintenance, your website can become vulnerable to security threats and functionality issues, resulting in loss of traffic, leads, and sales. In addition, if your website experiences technical issues and is not fixed quickly, it can harm your brand's reputation and lead to loss of customer trust. By using the Rooah Simple Plan, you get access to 365 24/7 technical support and maintenance, so you can get help whenever you need it. This includes regular backups, security updates, and software updates to ensure your website is always up to date and secure. Additionally, our team of experts is always available to help with any technical issues that may arise, so you can focus on running your business. Don't let technical issues and maintenance tasks ruin your brand's visibility online or distract you from growing your business. Sign up for Simple Plan today and leave the technical support and maintenance to us.